Let's begin by making jalapeno ranch sauce. In a small food processor, add in 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 small jalapeno diced without the seeds, it should be about 2 tablespoons, the juice of half a lime or about 2 teaspoons, and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Then blend until smooth and creamy about 30 seconds. Once the jalapeno sauce is ready, keep in the fridge until needed. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add in 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of Mexican oregano, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, the juice of 1 full lime or about 2 tablespoons, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Then whisk to combine. For this recipe, we are using 2 pounds of jumbo shrimp which have been peeled and deveined. Cover the shrimp with the marinade and stir to combine. Now, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the shrimp in a single layer and saute for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, or just until cooked through and no longer translucent. Cook the shrimp in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. Once they have been cooked, transfer them to a plate. Second batch is going in and repeat the same process. Transfer the last batch to the plate. Then in the same skillet, add in 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 onion sliced. Saute the vegetables until soft and golden brown at the edges. The vegetables are picking up all the flavor left at the bottom of the skillet. As you saute the vegetables, continue to stir so they cook evenly. After a few minutes, once the vegetables are to your desired doneness, remove from the heat. To assemble the fajitas, we are using store-bought flour tortillas. Warm up the tortillas in a frying pan over medium-high heat, and after a few seconds, once they are warm, transfer onto a plate. To assemble the fajitas, place a warm tortilla onto a plate, add some of the veggies followed by the shrimp. Top them off with the jalapeno ranch sauce. Extra sauce please, give me that sauce. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, shrimp fajitas, an easy Mexican recipe. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!